Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jose Luis Ignacio Alarcón. I have the pleasure and the honor to say something in behalf of the members of the program Reaching Our Learning Center. Well, first of all, I admit there were a lot of accomplishments, things, etc. we experienced in each class we had. And one learning of life, you can do it whatever you want. Also, in each English class, we do not just learn English. We learn more, customs, habits, synonyms of some words. Do you believe we acted like the actors or actresses of the films? But and maybe it sounds illogical. That was the sense of our learning classes. To do more than we are expected. Because when we did it, we created a new lifestyle, more expressions, something that made us better people. Secondly, and this is complement of the first paragraph, we felt that you never stop learning, and you must be conscious of that to do the next step. And that's the reason of the name of our program, Reaching Our Learning Center. We consider that the principal theme or the motivation of all our success in this opportunity is the idea everything is not only in one sense. There are a lot of ways of difficulties you decide to choose or not. But if we face them, we can adopt a new lifestyle and be more ourselves. We are new languages. I'm not referring only English. I mean a language of the living spirit to me. For these and more things that I'm planning to say to you, but time will be end, I concluded with these things. Don't give up, please. Don't give up in whatever you decide to do. Be constantly involved and with results, good results. We concluded with this idea, and I'm sure that if you agree with this thing, you will have a vivid imagination, and obviously, you will have a lot of success. Thank you very much.